My mom has a bird. The bird's name is Ira. So, we've had Ira for a pretty long time. So, yeah, let me just introduce you to him. So basically, one time my uncle went to go pet Ira, and his finger got bit by Ira, and it was like bleeding everywhere. But when I went to go pet Ira and the same thing happened to me, it wasn't bleeding, it didn't hurt, and I guess Ira just didn't go as harsh on me because we're best friends. But one day, I was just looking at Ira, you know, about to feed him until I saw that he had a bald spot. And I thought it was just because, he liked to pluck his feathers. But then I thought that, no, birds don't pluck their feathers. And I heard that birds lose feathers when they're stressed. So, yeah, he was stressed for some reason. So the reason why he was so stressed is because he somehow fell out of his cage onto the ground, beak first. And now let's show pictures of Ira. Anyways, my mom has a great pet. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later for more.